video, I will show you how to drag and drop your photos from the shared folder we're going to click on over to your folder that has your name. And we're going to choose the pictures and we're going to put it inside the folder. So first step is we're going to go ahead and click on this folder. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here at the top where it says Mr. Dominguez's class. When we click on this, we're going to go and go to organize, and we're going to click on add shortcut. Now, if you do not see this option on here, that's because you're not logged in. So you have to first make sure you're logged in with your school email. Make sure you have your school email. So sign in first, okay? All right, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to Mr. Dominguez's class. Click here, do organize, add shortcut. Next, we're going to go over here to where it says all locations. And we're going to choose My Drive. So when we click on My Drive, we're going to click Add. All right, now we're going to go over here to the left side. This is very important. This is where we're going to look at our folders and documents. This folder over here is My Drive. So we're going to click on this. Now, to drag and drop, we're going to open My Drive here on the left side. So we're going to go ahead and click on this little arrow to the left. We're going to click it open. So that way you can see each folder that is open here. Okay. All right, now you have Mr. Dominguez's class over here is the one in red. Okay. You have Mr. Dominguez's class, and then you have the folder with your name, your last name, and your period number. So what we're going to do is with our mouse, we're going to click and we're going to drag and drop this one inside this folder and drop it in there. And we're going to click on the button that says move our folder. So when we put one inside the other, now we have moved our folder inside. So now we're going to double click it to open. And you will see period 3, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Okay. You will also see your name and your folder on there. So you're going to put your name with your class period. Okay. So I'm just going to use one of these as an example. So I'm going to move this one over to period 6. I'm going to click move. Okay, so you should be inside your class period. So if your class period 6, if you're 7, if you're 9 or 10, you should have your name in there. So double click to open, and you should see your name inside there. You'll see 6 period, you'll see your name. All right, now here on My Drive, you can always go over here to where it says Mr. Dominguez's class, Mr. Dominguez class, and you can also look and open each one of these folders on here. So you can go ahead and open your folder on period 6, your folder, and you will see your folder in here. When you click on each one, you will see each of the folders that are inside. Camera, projects, You will see them all in here as you open. Each one has more and more folders as we go there. If you want to, you can also click on it again to close it as well too. So you have that. Okay, go back to Mr. Dominguez's class. And now, whenever you are in your class period, like let's say this one is class period 3. You have your class period. It's right over here. You can open it to see your name. We're going to go to drag and drop. Now that you have opened up the drag and drop folder, you're going to select your pictures or pictures as you go down the list, and you're going to go ahead and drag and drop them to your folder. There are many photos. There are a lot of movies as well too. Lots and lots of photos that we did in the past few weeks. Go ahead and choose your pictures, and you're going to go ahead and drag and drop them to your folder. Now, here on the left hand side you can see Mr. Dominguez class, my class period, and I open it where I see my name. I'm going to choose a picture that is mine. I'm going to use this as an example, and I'm going to click and hold, and I'm going to drag it to my name and put it on top. And when you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on move. And now when you click on your name, you're going to see your picture inside your folder name on here. A lot of these photos have not been edited, so they're going to be in the photos to edit. So you're going to click and drag photos to edit and click on move.